three have done a splendid job laying those gas pipes and electric cables. You really are a great little team.
Thank you, Bowser.
Yeah, but it was me who did...
Now, the big machines will be refitting the refinery, but there are lots of small jobs to be done. There's cables to replace by the grassy hill, pipes to be bedded in by the old shed, and water pipes to be attached over by the rickety fence.
Our team is at the ready.
I'm going off-site for a while, so if you have any problems, just ask Maxine. Mine behind, mine behind.
What's the matter with you, Diggs? Bowser's telling us what a top job we've done, and you're turning into a Mr. Grumpy Gearbox.
Well, it's always the three of us, isn't it? I mean, I did the most work on this job. I dug out the trenches, I ripped the old pipes out, I laid the new ones, and all I ever hear is, well done, team. What a good team. I want to do something on my own for once.
On your own? But how could you do a whole job on your own?
Well, I can carry and I can dump, so I can do both of your jobs.
Actually, Diggs, I'll tell you one really good reason why you need us. To tell you when you are behaving like a total piston poop.
Well, I think you're wrong, actually, and I'm going to prove it. From now on, I'm going solo.
What? Bowser will never allow it.
Well, Bowser's not here today, is he? So I'm going to talk to Maxine.
Oh, that was 10 seconds. A record for the lift on dump maneuver.
Well, that's years of working together as a team, my old friend. We go together like roofs and roof racks.
Like, windscreens on the Vipers.
Like gear sticks and gearboxes.
Hey, you two, start acting your mileage and not your tire size.
My tire size! Why like it, Maxine?
Maxine? I need some advice.
Well, you come to the right place. What is it, darling?
Do you think it's a good idea to try to do things on your own?
Oh, yes. When you can do something on your own, it makes you feel proud. And that's important.
Thought so. Thanks, Maxine.
But we have to make sure that what we're doing is safe and is something that we can actually do on our own.
Right then. Do I go for the rickety fence, the old shed, or do I take the grassy hill?
So, what did Maxine say?
Stay with your team, I'll bet.
Well, you bet wrong there, Scooch, my old buddy. She said I should take the bulldozer by the horns and go it alone. So I am.
What? I can't believe she'd say that. I'm going to ask her.
So am I.
Ask away, my little teamsters, because by the time you have, the job will be done.
He dumps, he scoops, he carries, he uses his gripper.
We need a job done, but there's only room for one machine. Who are we going to call?
Diggs.
Who was that machine?
The One Machine construction site.
I'll be back. Baroom!
Maxine, did you tell Diggs that he could go and do a job all on his own?
No, I most certainly did not. He asked me if it was a good idea to try and do things on your own, and I said yes. He said nothing about doing an actual job.
Oh, well, that's what he's gone and done.
Oh, no. Bowser's gonna blow a gasket when he hears about this. Wait till I catch up with that scampy little scooper. I'll give him a piece of my cab.
But we don't know where he is. How will we find him?
Well, we've got a team of highly tuned machines working on this site. I think we can figure it out.
I don't need anybody's help. I could do this all on my own. Oh, come on then. Oh dear. Oh dear. That doesn't happen when Carrie moves things about. I'll just dump these down here. Oh no. Oh, maybe I can't do their jobs after all. But one thing I know I'm good at, digging! Ha! Now, where should I start?
So where do I think the little digger would go? The old shed might not appeal to him, and the rickety fence might be too rickety.
Oh.
I would bet my hooky he's on the grassy hill.
What about you, Lug?
Oh, I agree. I've known many diggers in my time. They like excitement. Oil and water are things they show a lot of interest in. Electric cables? Haha, well, that's a different story.
Nice thinking, you two.
So, it's the electric cables by the grassy hill.
Let's go.
And you better hurry, because if he starts digging in the wrong place, he'll get into all kinds of trouble. Oh.
Oh, I really have no idea where to start. Working alone is not as easy as I thought. But I've just got to go for it. I'd give my back bucket to hear Scooch and Carrie's advice.
Diggs! Don't do it!
Wow, that was incredible. It's as if they were right here.
We are right here.
And just in the nick of time by the looks of things.
Oh, I was doing very well on my own, actually.
Oh, really? It didn't look like it by the trail of pipes we followed here.
You've got a really long way to go before you can carry like Carrie.
Oh, okay. You win. Some jobs were just meant for teamwork.
And this is one of them. Come on, as we're here, we might as well finish the job together! Yay!
Now, Diggs, there's nothing wrong with wanting to do things on your own. And there are lots of jobs that you can do on your own. But this wasn't one of them.
Sorry, Bozer.
It's a good job we have a team of highly tuned machines who could figure out where you were. Teamwork can be a marvelous thing.
They dump, they scoop, they carry.
Ha-ha!
You need a job done. But is there a team that can do it?
Scooch, Diggs, and Carry. The three-machine construction site.
We'll be back!